So today I am going to teach new topic. Okay, not new topic. You have already gone through this topic, and that is passé composé. Okay, passé composé. In English we call it simple past tense and present perfect tense. Okay, so passé composé we use to talk about action that is ended in the past, action that is over in the past. Okay, so I am going to explain you how to conjugate any verb in passé composé. Okay, so first I will tell you. Okay, first I will tell you that there are two auxiliary verbs, être and avoir. So if you want to conjugate any verb in passé composé, you have to choose either être or avoir. So I will tell you that which verbs will take être auxiliaire in passé composé. So please write here. There are 17 verbs. Okay, there are 17 verbs which take être auxiliaire in passé composé. So you will ask how to identify those 17 verbs. So those 17 verbs will express movement. If you want to mention, I can name them. For example, wait. See, this is a clue. Okay, through this structure you can identify all those 17 verbs which take être auxiliaire in passé composé. Like we have doctor, miss, wanted, trompe. Okay, so doctor, miss, wanted, trompe, all these indicate one verb. All those 17 verbs will come in this structure, doctor, miss, wanted, trompe. For example, here we have D indicates devenir. Devenir means to become. If you want to say I became something, I became doctor. So you have to say je suis devenu, because you know that venir, what is the past participle of venir verb venu? Je suis venu. In the same way we have devenir. So what is the past participle of devenir verb devenu? So je suis devenu means I became. So je suis devenu professor. Je suis devenu professeur de français. I became French professor. So here what you have to keep in mind is that whenever you are using être auxiliaire to conjugate any verb in passé composé like devenir, so in that case past participle must have agreement with subject in gender and number. Okay, if je is masculine, devenir is alright. If je is feminine, you have to e here. You have to add e to make this past participle also feminine singular. So when you say je suis devenu professeur de français, it means I became French professor. So the is one of those first 17 verbs which take être auxiliaire in passé composé. Second one is rentrer. Rentrer means to return back. For example, if I say je vais à l'université à 9h, I go to the university at 9 o'clock. And je rentre chez moi à 6h. À 6h du soir means I return back to my home at 6 o'clock evening. Okay, so first one is devenir which takes être auxiliaire in passé composé. Second one is rentrer which takes être auxiliaire in passé composé. Then we have miss, that is first letter is M. M indicates mourir. Mourir means to die. Okay, what is the past participle of mourir? That is mort, M-O-R-T. So you will say je suis mort, I died. Okay, je suis mort, I died. So yahan again, if je is feminine singular, you have to add e in past participle to make agreement of past participle with subject. So je suis mort, je suis mort. So third verb is mourir. Then we have R. R indicates rentrer. Okay, R indicates not rentrer. Rentrer we have already done. Here we have retourner. Okay,